What's up, guys? Welcome back to All Wings Everything. Yes, you are back in my kitchen with your boy Spinelli, aka the Wing King, for another easy and delicious recipe. Now guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a Mexican shrimp cocktail. Yes, we know that Cinco de Mayo is on the horizon, and guys, if you ever been to a Mexican restaurant and you haven't ordered a shrimp cocktail, I need to know why. These things are delicious. So I hope you're in your kitchen. I'm already in mine, so let's go. All right, so here are the ingredients we're gonna use for today's recipe. Let me tell you what we have. Right here we have some tomato juice, salt, hot sauce, ketchup, cilantro, black pepper, tomato, onion, lime, jalapeno pepper, cucumber, avocado, and the star to show our shrimp. So these are the ingredients, guys. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I've already measured out the ingredients. So let me tell you what I have here. I have about 12 ounces of the tomato juice. I have 3 limes juice. This is about 1/4 of a cup. I have 1 whole cucumber diced finely. I have a bunch of cilantro. I chopped it. Make sure you take the stems off, use the leaves only, and make sure you chop it finely. I have a pound of shrimp. Now these are more like the jumbo shrimp, so I have about 14. Depending on how you're gonna serve this, you may wanna use medium-sized shrimp, like if you do it in little cups or small cups, like if you're doing it like as an appetizer, you wanna maybe use the medium shrimp because you get more. Right here I have a cup of ketchup. I have 2 jalapenos diced. Now you can scale back on the jalapeno and just use 1. I'm using 2. I have a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of hot sauce. I have 1/4 of a cup of onions. I have 1 whole avocado diced, and I have 2 Roma tomatoes diced finely. Make sure you dice your onions finely too. So these are the ingredients, guys. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to add our onions to a empty dish, and we're gonna add our lime juice right behind it. And we're gonna let this soak up for about 10 minutes. And then once we let this soak up for about 10 minutes, we'll be right back. All right, so while our onions and lime juice are soaking, we're gonna start with the rest of the ingredients. But guys, I forgot to tell you right here, what I did is I just steamed these shrimp. You wanna make sure you get them deveined and clean, and then steam them, or you can boil them, however you wanna do it. Or if you want to make it simple, you can buy them already cooked in the grocery store. But what's the fun in that? All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our shrimp and we're just gonna add them here to our bowl like this. Next, we're gonna add our cucumbers, our tomatoes. Next, our jalapenos, our pepper, and our salt. And guys, what we're gonna do right here, we're just gonna get this mixed up real good. All right, so what we're gonna do now, we're just going to set this aside and we're gonna move on to the next step. All right, so now we're back with our onions and lime juice. So what we're gonna do now is we're just going to add our tomato juice in here, along with our hot sauce and our cup of ketchup. What we're gonna do now, all we're gonna do is give this a good whisk, back and forth. If you don't have a whisk, you could take a fork and you could do it. All right, so it looks like we're there. So what we're gonna do is I'm going to move this aside, and we're gonna bring in a bigger bowl. Well, not a bowl. I'm gonna have to use this pot because I don't have a bigger bowl here to combine all the ingredients. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add our shrimp mixture in here. Give it another good mix like this. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add our ketchup mixture right here on top of it, just like that. And now we're gonna give this a good mix like that. See how this coming together now, guys? Take a look at that. It's all coming together. And the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add our avocados and our cilantro. And we're gonna give this bad baby a mix like that. And what I'm gonna do now is we're going to place this in the refrigerator, and we're gonna let it chill for about an hour, and then we're gonna come back and get it all served up. All right, I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, guys, so it's been an hour, so let's take a look at what we have. Now we've allowed enough time for all these ingredients to kind of marinate together. That gives us this beautiful, delicious flavor. I'm just gonna taste a little bit right here, just to see if I need any salt. And nope, doing pretty good. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this in a cup and I'll be right back. And there you have it, guys, Mexican shrimp cocktail. As you all saw, this is a very easy recipe. It's very simple, quick, easy. Once you get all the ingredients all chopped up and measured out, guys, it's just bop, 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 and go. Look at that, man. This looks delicious. Man, I love these shrimp cocktails. I know you guys are preparing for Cinco de Mayo, and this is a great recipe to share with family and friends. Again, the links and ingredients are all in the video description below for you guys to check out. Also, that All Wings Everything merch is in the video description below. Click that link for everybody. I thank you for supporting the merch. I love it. And guys, hit that applaud button. Show your boy Spinelli some love. And again, guys, I appreciate it. So without further ado, let's get into some quality control. All right, guys, it's time for quality control. Now, the best part of this recipe is me trying it out, but it's also the best part is because I get to try it now. Plus, I'm gonna make it again on Cinco de Mayo, just because. So take a look at that. All right. So I typically keep a spoon with me when I eat it, but I definitely like to pull my shrimp out and taste that shrimp that's been soaking in there. Of course, discard the tail. Then I like to spoon my veggies out of here. Guys, and one thing about this, you can make these in like individual cups. Like if you're having like a get together for Cinco de Mayo or any type of get together or party, you know, use the medium shrimp or the real small shrimp. Throw a whole bag of them in there, put them in these medium cups, and you're good to go. But me, not having a party, it's just for me. So, until then, guys, I'm your cook, Spinelli, All Wings Everything, and I am out. Peace.